Okay, now we're ready to test out our newly sharpened plane blade. I've mounted the blade in a Stanley Bailey number 4 type 11. This plane was featured in an earlier video, so if you want to know more about it, please refer to that video. But this would be considered a very common plane, and so it's probably a pretty good test case for this newly sharpened blade. After that, we'll wrap it up. So let's see how well it works. Here we go. A little light on the cut. A little heavy on the cut, went too far, but you can see already that it's working very well. Nice wide shavings, even. There we go. Well, that's really all we need to do. It's not so much, well, it's working really fine. Nice thin shavings, very wide. I'd say that we got one of our best jobs on sharpening that plane blade. Okay, so our plane blade sharpening was a unambiguous success. One thing I was going to say about the hollow grind method, one of the reasons it's a good method to use, what you've got is, even though the blade is now sharp, it's still got the hollow grind on it. So if you need to touch it up, you can take your fine stone, bring your blade to it. You can still find the angle. It's right there, and then just go ahead and whisk it a few times on the fine stone, and it'll be just about back to new. And that's what makes the hollow grind method such a nice one to use. Fast touching up of a sharp plane blade. Okay then, that's about all there is to it. I don't think there's much more to say. I hope this has been useful, both for people who normally watch the video channel as well as people who just want to know how to sharpen a plane blade. If you like this video channel, please consider subscribing. Please consider leaving comments. I like to know what you liked and didn't like about the video. And so, without further ado, we'll see you next time on the Handplane Challenge.